syempre sobrang hindi okay yun. Hindi ka tanggap-tanggap yun. And I applaud Anne for really speaking up against it. And I really admire what she said na kung ano man yung nangyari sa kanya, it's not just about her. Parang she really used her platform para magsalita in behalf of like all the women who experience these things every day. So, syempre, we're all behind her and we all try to push empowerment forward for all women, no matter kung anong trabaho, kung anong suot mo, kung ilang taon ka, or kung nasaan ka. Parang, you know, women deserve respect, and I'm grateful that there are women like her who really are not afraid to speak up about it. Siyempre, nakakagalit. Sobrang nakakagalit. Kadiri for that to be even said out loud anywhere, more so to be said in like a place of power and public office. So, syempre, ang sama talaga pakinggan. And hopefully it serves also as a lesson to all the other men and politicians to really be reminded that that is not acceptable.